Good morning, viewers. This is Kasturi Day. Today, I'm going to again discuss the cell, the unit of life, the chapter, according to ICSE syllabus, class 9. So I've started this 9 syllabus. In my last 2 videos, I'm discussing this chapter. First, I'm discussing biology, and then I'll go to chemistry and then physics. Okay. So I'll discuss one chapter each, and then again a second chapter each, like that I'll discuss. And one more thing I'll discuss with you is some ICSE pattern questions. Okay, some important ICSE pattern questions which you will be getting in this from class 9 you will be getting. So I'll be discussing some question answers along with the other question answers of the book also. So do stay tuned with me, okay, and do subscribe to get the notification of my next video, and please go through the video in full. Okay, then you will be able to understand the whole chapter what I'm discussing. Okay, so let me start with, first I'll start today is cell organelles. Okay, so cell has a cell membrane. In plant cell, they have a cell wall, then cell membrane. In animal cells, only the cell membrane is there. And then comes the cytoplasm, in which the cell organelles are scattered. So what are cell organelles? Cell organelles are the structures which are present in the cytoplasm, which perform the different functions of the cell. Okay. Now, first cell organelle which I will discuss today is endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, this is a very fine structures, therefore it's only seen through electron microscope. Okay, naked eye you cannot see at all, only through microscope only you can see, but it is so fine you have to see through electron microscope to observe this endoplasmic reticulum. It is, what is this? It is an irregular network of double membranes. Okay, so what is endoplasmic reticulum? It is an cell organelle which has a irregular network of double membranes. See, here are two membranes are there. See, one is the inner layer and this is the outer layer. Okay, so these are double layered. Some of them have ribosomes on them and some are smooth. Okay, now it is distributed over the entire cytoplasm. It is distributed. What is its function? Its outer end is connected to the cell. First, it is how we are describing the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum. I told you it's an irregular network of double membranes. It's entirely distributed, and the cytoplasm distributed over the entire cytoplasm. It is distributed. Then the outer end is connected to the cell membrane, and the inner end is connected to the nuclear membrane. This is the nucleus. The inner end is connected to the nuclear membrane and outer end to the cytoplasm. It appears rough. Some of them, I told you, some of the endoplasmic reticulum, they are rough because of the presence of ribosomes or the small granules which are present on them. And some are without them. Those are known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Forms the supporting framework of the cell and serves as a pathway for distributing material from one part of the cell to the other. So what is its function? It gives a supporting framework to the cell. Okay, like a skeleton. Okay, so the skeleton gives us a supporting framework to our body. Like that, this also gives a supporting framework to the cell. Okay, and it serves as a pathway for distributing materials. That is, the materials, they are distributed throughout the cell through this one part of the cell to the other part through this endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so I told you what is an endoplasmic reticulum. Where is it found? It's distributed over the entire cytoplasm. Then what is its structure? What are the different types of endoplasmic reticulum? That is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why they are rough? That I also told you, due to the presence of ribosomes. And one other thing, that what is its function? Okay, so this is about endoplasmic reticulum. Next, we come to cell organelles. Again, cell organelles. First, this another is ribosome. Okay. First, I discussed about the endoplasmic reticulum, which has some ribosomes on them, which produces the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Gives an appearance of a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now, what are ribosomes? These ribosomes are, they are small, numerous small granules which are either scattered freely in the cytoplasm or they are attached to the endoplasmic membranes of the endoplasmic reticulum. So what are ribosomes? I told you. Okay. So what are ribosomes? They are numerous small granules. They are either scattered freely in the cytoplasm or they are attached to the membranes of the endoplasmic reticulum, which gives the endoplasmic reticulum a rough appearance. See, these are the ribosomes. Okay. They are attached, see, dotted like structures you can see on the endoplasmic reticulum, outer membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum. These are called ribosomes. Okay, what is its function? They are the factories of protein synthesis. That is, protein synthesis inside the cell takes place in the ribosomes. Okay. Then mitochondria. Singular, it is known as mitochondrion. Okay, what are these mitochondria? They are spherical or rod-shaped body. They are spherical or rod-shaped bodies, and they have minute double-walled bags with inner walls produced into finger-like processes projecting inwards, which are known as cristae. Okay, they are the sites of cellular respiration where energy is produced. This energy is stored in its ATP form, which is rich energy, is rich compound, energy rich compound that is known as ATP. I'll tell you what is it. Then that is used for various metabolic activities of the cell. That's why they are known as powerhouse of the cell. They contain their own DNA, which can replicate. Okay, this is all about mitochondria. So first question, what are mitochondria? They are minute double-walled bags with inner walls produced into finger-like processes projecting inwards known as cristae. See, they are double-walled bags. This is the outer wall. This is the outer wall. You can see this is the outer wall and this is the inner wall, which are projected inwards. These are known as cristae. Okay, these are projected inwards. These are known as finger-like projections. They are known as cristae. Okay, and they are the shape of the mitochondria that can be rod-shaped or spherical shaped. Okay, and they here in this mitochondria, what is its function? Function is cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is done here in the mitochondria, which produces, and respiration, we know that respiration produces energy. Okay, and this energy is stored in the ATP. Okay, so when the cells respire, here they respire. Okay, the respiration process occurs here in the mitochondria. It stores energy in the form of what? Adenosine triphosphate. Please write it down. This ATP, okay, this ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Phosphate. Okay, this is adenosine triphosphate, TRY phosphate, TRIPHOS, PHATE, phosphate. This is adenosine triphosphate. This is ATP, which is an energy-rich compound. In this form, the energy is stored in the mitochondria, and that's why the mitochondria is known as powerhouse of cells. So another question, why it is known as powerhouse of cell? Okay, what is its function and why it is known as powerhouse of cell? Or you can say another question, what is the other name for mitochondria and why is it so? Okay, next is they contain their own DNA which can replicate. Okay, this is the organelle where DNA is their own. They contain their own DNA and that can replicate also. Okay. Okay. So next is Golgi apparatus. See, Golgi apparatus is also like endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, similar to that. Okay, but Golgi apparatus occurs in the form of granules also, filaments or rods. Okay, they can be of three shapes. Okay, mainly it is generally said that from endoplasmic reticulum only they originate. That's why it looks like endoplasmic reticulum only. Okay, so it occurs in the form of granules, then filaments or rods. Okay, and they originate, supposed to be originated from ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum. These are very small vesicles of different shapes. See, this is a secretory vesicle, which are of small vesicles. Okay, they are located near the nucleus. Generally they are located near the nucleus, and they consist of many small groups of hollow tubular structures with membrane walls known as cisternae. These tubular structures with membranous walls, they are known as cisternae and is associated with some minute vesicles and vacuoles. Okay, they have some minute vesicles also there, and also some vacuoles are also present near the cisternae. In plants, these Golgi apparatus are known as dictyosomes. In plant cells, these are known as dictyosomes. Okay, spelling, mind the spelling, DICTYOSOMES. So they are in plants, they are known as dictyosomes. Usually they contain smaller and more scattered groups of cisternian vesicles. Okay, they help, what is the function? They help in the secretion of the cell, including enzymes, hormones, etc. And their packaging and transport to different sites within the cell. So the main function is secretion of what? Enzymes, hormones, etc. And they also packages it, and also transport to the different sites of the cell within the cell. Within the cell they can transport. Okay. This is about Golgi apparatus. So what we have discussed in Golgi apparatus, that what are Golgi apparatus? Okay. They are small vesicles of different shapes. Okay. Then where they are located, generally they are located near the nucleus. Then occurs in what forms? In what forms they can occur? Form of granules, filaments or rods. Where did they originate? They originated from endoplasmic reticulum. In plant cells, what are they known as? They are known as, in plant cells, in dictyosomes. What do they consist of? They consist of many small groups of hollow tubular structures. What are they called? They are known as cisternae. They have tubular structures with membranous walls known as cisternae. And what are they associated with? With some minute vesicles and vacuoles. Okay. And what are this function? Main function is secretion, that is secretes enzymes and hormones. Also they packages them and they transport to the different sites within the cell. Okay, I think you have understood. Next we come to lysosomes. Okay, these lysosomes are very small vesicles like the Golgi apparatus. They are also vesicles, no, small vesicles. So lysosomes are also small vesicles. I am sorry, the spelling is, there is a mistake. 1S it will be, okay. Small vesicles of different shapes which contain some digestive enzymes. Okay, these vesicles contain digestive enzymes. These enzymes, they destroy and digest foreign substances around them. Any foreign substances which come around the lysosomes, they will destroy them and digest them. They digest the stored food during unfavorable conditions when food is unavailable to the cell. Many damaged cells are rapidly destroyed or dissolved by their own lysosomes. That's why they are known as suicide bags. So what is it? First is they are small vesicles. What are lysosomes? They are also small vesicles of different shapes which contain digestive enzymes. Okay. Now, what is the function? Function is their enzymes, they destroy and digest foreign substances which come around them. Okay. They digest the stored food. Okay. They digest one is that they digest foreign substance, destroy and digest the foreign substances. Another is they digest the food, the stored food which are present in the cell, okay, during unfavorable conditions or when the food is not available to the cell. Okay. Then another function is that they destroy the damaged cells. Even their own lysosomes, the cells are digested by their own lysosomes. So three things they destroy and digest. One is any foreign substance. One is stored food. Another is damaged cells or even the own cell itself. So that's why when they digest their own cell, when these lysosomes digest their own cell, that's what they are known as suicide bags. So what the question can arise, why they are known as suicide bags or other name for lysosomes, and why is it so like that? Okay. So I think I'll stop here. I'll continue with the rest of the discussion in my next video. Please go through this. If you have any doubt, please do let me know, write in the comment box. Okay, do share with your friends and colleagues so that they can also be benefited from these videos, and do subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a good day.